Hello and welcome to today's Daily Science Revision task, which is to produce a flashcard on the properties of electromagnetic waves. Visible light is just one type of electromagnetic radiation. There are many others, both longer and shorter. Infrared radiation. So all objects give out and take in thermal radiation, which is also called infrared radiation. The hotter an object is, the more infrared radiation it emits. Very hot objects may glow, such as a heating element in a toaster or an electric fire. Other hot objects may not glow, such as an iron. Some surfaces are better than others at absorbing and reflecting infrared radiation. Black surfaces are good absorbers. Shiny surfaces are good reflectors. When an object absorbs infrared radiation, its temperature increases. Microwaves cannot be seen, but they can cause burns if they are absorbed by body tissues. Microwave ovens rely on the ability of microwaves to penetrate about 1 centimeter into food. They are absorbed by the water in the food, causing it to warm up. Microwaves go through plastics and glass, but are reflected by metals. Radio waves are used to transmit television and radio programs. Televisions use higher frequencies than radios. A radio program receiver does not need to be directly in view of the transmitter to receive the program signals. Diffraction allows low frequency radio waves to be received behind hills, although repeater stations are often used to increase the quality of the signals. The lowest frequency radio waves are also reflected from an electrically charged layer of the upper atmosphere called the ionosphere. This means that they can still reach receivers even if they are not in sight of them due to the curvature of the Earth's surface. Visible light is the light that we can see. It allows us to communicate with one another through books, etc. Ultraviolet radiation is found naturally in sunlight. We cannot see or feel ultraviolet radiation, but our skin responds to it by turning darker. This happens in an attempt to reduce the amount of UV radiation that penetrates to the deep layers of the skin. Darker skin absorbs more UV light, so less of it reaches the basal layer of the skin. Ultraviolet radiation can be used in sunbeds, security planes, and fluorescent lights. X-rays are one type of electromagnetic radiation. They're commonly used in hospitals to produce photographs of bones which can be checked for breakages. X-rays have the following properties. They can penetrate less dense matter such as skin. They have a range of frequencies. They leave an image on photographic paper. More dense areas in our bodies, such as bones, block the X-rays, and less dense areas, such as skin and many tissues, allow X-rays through. Too many X-rays, though, can be harmful to the body. Gamma waves have a high frequency. Gamma radiation cannot be seen or felt. It mostly passes through the skin and soft tissues, but some of it is absorbed. Gamma radiation can be used for a range of things, including to sterilize surgical instruments, to kill harmful bacteria in food, and to kill cancer cells. Hopefully, this video should have helped you complete your daily revision task. Please subscribe so you can keep up to date with other videos to help with your daily revision tasks. You can follow me on Facebook or follow me on Twitter to help you keep up to date.